In this video, I'll be going over my mid-October income reports for KDP, YouTube, and Etsy. So let's start with my ads for KDP. I haven't actually run any ads currently for this month, and I will show my lifetime just to avoid any confusion. I have not run many ads at all. I focus a lot on organic sales. So since starting KDP in December 2021, I've only spent $98.98 on ads. And this graph just shows when I spent the money and things like that. So I did not run any for September or October of this year. If you want more details, you can check out my other income report videos where I go into more detail each month on my ad spend and things like that. So moving over to my actual orders, and that is for October 1st through 16th. The original view I had there on my ads, and my orders is for the 1st through 16th as well. So it's a little more than halfway through the month, as there are 31 days in October. For YouTube, I am showing October 1st through 15th simply because the 16th revenue hasn't loaded yet, but that's okay. They're about around the halfway mark. So I've had 63 orders for October, and I have had at least one order every day so far. This is lower than my previous months, but that's okay. I'm still trying to figure out which months I have more revenue and I don't. It seems like August so far is my highest month throughout the year. And for quarter four, I normally don't really see much of a spike. So I'm not sure if that's because of the types of books that I have or some other reason, but overall, I'm pretty happy with this since I haven't been really creating books either or devoting a lot of time to KDP right now. I want to, I just have been extremely busy and I have a lot going on. So before I move on to my royalties, I do want to mention that this video is sponsored by 100 Covers. And if you're trying to find covers or find some that are more affordable, because often costing over $1,000 and probably more, I have even looked into outsourcing some books myself, and the cost can get very, very high. So if you're looking for a quality cover or you just simply don't have time to create the covers yourself, then I highly recommend checking out 100 Covers. And I do have a discount code. So they have the ebook pack, the print pack, or the plus pack. So if you want to do the print pack, you can just click on it and then you can input my discount code, which should give you 30% off. And that's going to be my name, Taylor. And it doesn't matter if it's capital or not, the discount should still be active. So please check them out in the description below. You can message them, get any sort of information you want. Their website has loads of different information. But if you're really struggling with the cover or you're just looking to get one professionally done or multiple professionally done, then I recommend checking out 100 Covers. So moving on to my royalties so far for the month, I'm at $149.11. So this is lower than what my royalties have been in the previous months. And I will show my current royalties for this year, and then I'll also show last year, October 1st through 16th of 2022, just to show the growth and why I'm not really upset about this. Because again, I haven't really been working on KDP or doing much with it. So let me show you my orders first let's go with October of 2022. So let's go all the way back, and then I'll just show my current lifetime so that we can get an idea of all of the other months as well and kind of how it's comparing so far. And the month isn't over yet, so obviously this could definitely change. But currently, for 2022, I have 38 units. And I did not have a sale every day. So this is definitely a huge improvement. And currently for the month, sales are down a little bit from what it's been this year, but that's okay because they're still up from last year, which is a major improvement. So let's do October 1st, 2022 to October 16th, 2022. And for royalties, that is going to be $86.86. So again, this is definitely an improvement and I'm very happy about that. So let's just go to lifetime really quick so I can show you the trend and what I'm talking about. But I'm not upset about this. I'm still really happy that I'm making sales. So if you look here for August 2022, I did have the highest throughout the whole year. And then it dipped down a little bit and was even or mostly even through December. And then it went up in January. August, again, has been my highest this year. And then it's kind of dipped back down. So I'm not really sure how October is going to keep going, of course. But I'm hoping that sales are going to start going back up. But right now I'm looking at about a $300 month if I'm going to make the same amount, because I'm at about 149, so multiply that by 2, around 300 or a little bit under, since I did the 1st through the 16th. So again, looking at the revenue, the $300 line is down right here. So I've been above 300 since it looks like March 2023. So I am definitely on track to be lower and more towards what I made in February 2023. But every month is going to be different, and you just really don't know sometimes. KDP is going to fluctuate. So I'm not upset about it. I'm still very happy that this is basically passive income at this point. And I'm just going to hopefully create some more books soon, and I'm going to keep monitoring what is going on, and maybe this is just normal for the types of books that I have for October. But moving on to YouTube. Let's see. Oh, and before I move on quickly, I just want to explain the spikes here. So I wasn't really making any sales, and then I bought the Passive Income Accelerator program, really taught me how to do proper research, and that's when I started making some more money here. I got laid off in January 2023, and that's when I bought the Rachel Harrison Sun course. It was either January or February that I bought it, and that also really helped me, and I started creating more books, and that's why you see the spike here. So I am an affiliate for the Low Content Profits Academy, which is Rachel's course, but I do highly recommend checking her course out. I've been endorsing the course before I was even an affiliate. In the Passive Income Accelerator program, I don't think that's currently running at this time, but you can check out Passive Income Templates and ask them if you'd like to. But both of those courses have definitely helped me. Of course, they're not the only reason for creating sales. I've been watching YouTube videos, getting better at creating books, things like that, but they've definitely been helpful. So moving on to YouTube. Right now, I have 12.8K views for the 1st through the 16th, 628 watch time, 161 subscribers, and revenue is $115.92. But again, the 16th day just hasn't loaded yet, and we'll just go over to the revenue tab. My highest day so far is October 6th with $14.96, and my lowest is $3.56 so far. And I believe one of these days did have the membership go through. I think it was on the 9th from the one current member that I have. Thank you again so much for supporting my channel. I greatly appreciate it. My RPM, $11.63 on average. Just shows the membership, shorts, feeds, watch page, ads. If I hit see more, it might load and show the YouTube premium. $1.33. And yeah, I'm not sure what the CPM is. I'd probably have to go and look in the see more, but I just want to give an overall review here. Let me hit the see more here and it might show us. But overall, I'm super, super happy about this because I need at least $100 to be able to cash out on YouTube pretty much, or get paid, not really cash out. And I've already made that $100 threshold, and we're not even we are halfway through the month. So I'm very excited about that. And overall, I'm just really happy with how YouTube is going. I do wish I've been posting more. I really, really have been very, very busy in my personal life and business life as well. I just haven't had as much time to post videos and content. So that's why there aren't as many videos, and I'm really hoping to be posting more soon. So moving on to Etsy, this one will be pretty quick. I haven't had any sales yet for Etsy. I have 5 digital paper downloads available on my shop right now. I just had to reactivate 2 of them, I think, because they expired. I did get 21 visits so far for the month, and it looks like only 3 days I didn't have a visit so far. But overall, I don't really work much on Etsy. I'm a beginner when it comes to that, and I just, again, don't really have time to work it right now. But I'm hoping to get at least some sort of sales soon and start creating more content for my shop. So I really hope this video was helpful. I hope it was inspiring. I don't make these to brag or anything. I do these to track my journey and hopefully inspire other people to go after their dreams, or just, create a passive income or create any sort of side income like this where you have KDP, YouTube, Etsy. These are not easy to do. They're definitely hard to get going. So I hope this video is inspiring. Thank you so much for watching and listening to this video.